Practicing Surya Namaskar, sun salutation, every day has numerous physical, mental, and spiritual benefits. It's a complete body workout that combines yoga postures, breathing techniques, and mindfulness, making it a holistic practice for overall well-being. Here's why daily Surya Namaskar is highly recommended. How to make it a daily habit. 1. Set a time. Mornings are ideal as it energizes you for the day. 2. Start small. Begin with 5 rounds and gradually increase as your stamina improves. 3. Be consistent. Even a short 10-15 minute session daily can make a big difference. 4. Focus on quality. Ensure proper posture and breathing over speed. By practicing Surya Namaskar every day, you achieve a balance of physical strength, mental calmness, and spiritual awareness. Start slowly. Practice at a slow pace to understand the flow of movements and avoid strain. Take breaks between rounds if needed. 2. Focus on breathing. Breathing is key to reaping the full benefits of Surya Namaskar. Inhale during upward and opening movements. Exhale during downward and folding movements. 3. Modify poses if needed. Bend your knees in forward bends if hamstrings are tight. Skip the 8-limbed pose, Ashtanga Namaskara, if it feels too intense and hold a plank instead. 4. Be consistent. Practice daily for at least 10 minutes. Regularity is more important than the number of rounds. Gradually increase the duration and intensity as your body adapts. 5. Listen to your body. Don't overexert yourself, especially if you're a beginner. If any pose feels uncomfortable, modify it or skip it. Sample beginner routine, 20 minutes. 1. Warm up, 5 minutes. Gentle stretches like neck rolls, side bends, and spinal twists. 2. Surya Namaskar practice, 10 minutes. Perform 3 rounds slowly, focusing on your breath. Pause for a few deep breaths between rounds if needed. 3. Cool down, 5 minutes. Relax in child's pose and shavasana. Optional. Practice deep belly breathing to calm your mind. After 2 to 3 weeks of practice, increase to 6 to 8 rounds as you build stamina and strength. Gradually quicken your pace to make it a cardiovascular workout if desired. Add meditation or pranayama for a holistic experience.